Now I'm going to try how to draw a wheel. Um, so we're going to select the right plane, and also I'm going to assume that my wheel is symmetrical. So I just want to show you everybody that to work with symmetrical models, it's easier if you use uh, what we call the dynamic mirror. So I'm going to insert a center line first. So about 22-inch wheels. So I'm going to go around 11 here. Okay. I'm going to start this center line, or I can change it to a construction geometry, so it's a dash dot line. I'm going to go to tools and sketch tools, the dynamic mirror. Select this one right here. Use the center line. I'm going to use a line first. So if you have a dynamic mirror active, you can see two equal signs on your center line. And when you draw something on the right side, SolidWorks will automatically put on the left side. So a very fast way to finish your sketch if you have a symmetrical models. I'm going to use the spline with the curve and stuff. So it's gonna look nice with the spline, and draw a line. So here. Okay, so I have that profile. I'm going to use another center line. So I have two center lines. The first one is to mirror using the dynamic mirror, and the other one is to revolve the axis of revolution for the revolve features. Now I have that profile. I'm going to use my revolve feature, just close it, and for the axis of revolution I will select the center line on the bottom. Okay, by 360 I'm going to have my wheels here. So how you draw a spoke for the wheels? So I'm going to select the front plane and start sketching on it. And let's go to the normal to sketch planes. And I'm going to use the line here. I'm going to snap the line to the quadrant. Just like this. So that's the wheel. Let's go normal tool. Then I'm going to select this and change it to convert entities. I'm going to draw another line from here to here, for instance. I'm going to need to draw a circle from here to here. So I'm going to make this line to be coincident with this. So every time you go here, okay, so always go to the center. Now we can specify, let's say I want the rim to be like here, and smart dimension it. Let's make it 30. Exit the sketch. No, I'm not gonna exit the sketch. Let's say I'm gonna trim this. I'm gonna draw a sketch fillet here. Make it a little bit round for the spoke. Reduce it a little bit. Okay. Then I'm gonna make this one also be round a little bit. Sketch fillet, using the sketch fillet. Okay, let's hit OK. So I have that spoke. I can smart dimension if I want to here. Radius is 11.5. Okay. Hit OK and I see the sketch. So I think it's too much, 11.5. I'm gonna reduce this to some numbers. Let's say how about 10. So because I don't want it to cut the whole thing. So it's good enough. I'm gonna exit the sketch and I'm gonna extrude cut it through all on that direction and then through all on the other directions. Hit OK. So I have that spoke, but I can make it bigger if I want to. Go to linear pattern, circular pattern now. Cut extrusion will be pattern. And if I don't have the axis, I can use this face. You can select how many spokes you want. Let's say 5 and hit OK. So you have that spoke. Or you can always go back here onto the sketch if you want to make it like a little bit bigger cut on the spokes. You can change it to, let's say, 11. Let's see what's going on here. It's too much. I'm gonna put 10.75. I'm gonna rebuild it. As you can see, I have the spoke here. Okay, I'm gonna trim the corners. No, fillet the corners. Not this one, but this space right here. Select that space. That space. You can do circular and parallel with this. Select that. I'm gonna hit OK. Okay. I'm gonna make the tires now. Right plane. Let's go to the right plane. And then I'm gonna use the edge, and immediately I'm gonna use the convert entities feature, so I don't have to sketch this. Convert entities. So what it does is to convert the edge or to be part of our sketch. I'm gonna draw a low profile for the tires. So here, to here, and to here. I'm gonna fillet the corners a little bit. Put some round for the tires here. Good enough for instance. Hit OK. I'm gonna make it lower. There you go. Yeah. Now I have that profile. I'm gonna turn on the temporary axis. I'm gonna go to my revolve base feature. Axis revolution is this one right here, and I'm not gonna merge it. So I have that profile here. I have two solid bodies. The first one I'm gonna rename it to be the wheel, and then the other body to be the tire. You can see that. But this is basically the tires and the wheels. I'm going to select the appearance and select the body of the wheels to be chrome, for instance, chromium plate. I hit OK. It shows shiny. And I'm going to select the tire, change the appearance. So I'm going to select the face of the tire of this to be black, and also this one right here to be black. Okay. And now what we can do, I'm going to see tire, and the face of this to be rubber texture tire. If I hit OK, you'll be able to see it. Okay, now we're done.